Have you ever wondered how the cities of the future will look like? Will they be sustainable? In our rapidly evolving world, urbanization is accelerating at an unprecedented pace. With more than half of the global population now residing in cities, we face a unique set of challenges. Traditional urban development methods can no longer keep up with the demands of our growing populations, nor address the urgent need to reduce our environmental footprint. Sustainable urban development is the answer. It's about creating cities that not only survive but thrive in harmony with our planet. This is where the concept of sustainable cities comes into play. Imagine cities that produce their own energy, recycle their waste, and provide green spaces for their inhabitants to enjoy. Cities that are designed for people, not just cars. Cities that are resilient, inclusive, and adaptable to change. Sustainable cities are not just a concept, they are a necessity for our future. Cities around the world are already taking steps towards sustainability. Let's start our global tour in Copenhagen, Denmark. This city is putting its best foot forward with a bold commitment to become carbon neutral by 2025. How? Well, Copenhagen is investing heavily in wind energy, already generating more than half of its electricity from wind turbines. It's also promoting green mobility, with an impressive network of bicycle lanes and a goal to have 75% of all trips made by foot, bike, or public transport. Now let's hop over to Curitiba, Brazil. This city may not be a household name, but it's a shining star in the realm of sustainable public transportation. Back in the 70s, Curitiba introduced a bus rapid transit system that became a model for other cities worldwide. Today, these buses carry over 2 million passengers daily, reducing car usage and thus carbon emissions. The city also boasts over 150 square meters of green space per inhabitant, a testament to its commitment to urban greenery. Next, we fly to Singapore, a city-state renowned for its green building initiatives. More than 30% of its buildings are certified green, and it's aiming for 80% by 2030. Singapore is also home to the world's first green mall, a pioneering example of sustainable architecture and design. But it doesn't stop there. Singapore's vision of a city in a garden is evident in its urban planning, with verdant parks and vertical gardens that not only beautify the city but also combat urban heat. These are just a few examples, but they illustrate a broader trend. From the wind-swept streets of Copenhagen to the bus lanes of Curitiba, from the green skyscrapers of Singapore to countless other initiatives in cities big and small, a sustainable urban future is unfolding before our eyes. These cities are proving that a sustainable future is not only desirable but achievable. But the path to sustainability is not a one-man journey. It's a collective effort, a global endeavor that requires each one of us to play our part. The future of our cities, our planet, hinges on our individual actions, on the choices we make every day. We can contribute to the sustainability movement in numerous ways. Consider reducing your energy consumption, perhaps by walking or cycling instead of driving, or by switching off lights when they're not needed. Support local businesses that prioritize sustainable practices, making a conscious effort to invest in your community and its future. Advocate for green policies. Lend your voice to the call for change at both local and national levels. The power to shape the future of sustainable cities lies in your hands. Your actions, no matter how small, can make a huge difference in the pursuit of a greener, more sustainable world. Remember, every action counts. It's time for you to join the movement and contribute to a sustainable future.